How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to me. I have been out of the YouTube action for about 2 weeks now, but now I'm back making tutorials, and I've actually been using my time to create apps instead of tutorials. And in fact, I got an app accepted by the App Store, so maybe I'll leave a link below. You should definitely check it out. It's my first app ever made. I'm gonna put some updates in it right now. It's like a quiz game. It's pretty cool. Only got 100 questions right now, but I'm gonna update it, add some more features. But if you want to see what an app is, and if you don't know by now, then you're probably screwed. But anyways, go buy my app. That's what I'm saying. I mean, I gave you like 800 free tutorials. It's the least you could do. And if you want to rate it 5, I'm not gonna hate you. Alright, so tonight I have two more apps waiting to be approved. And I didn't really start making any more, so right now I just decided to get drunk and make some tutorials. So I got the first part taking care of the second part now. And drunk tutorials are much like regular tutorials, except if I get an error or I mess up anything now, then I'm just going to start breaking stuff. So, a little bit different, but overall the same. So I already made a project, I guess you could say, or started an app, and I just made it was it, a view based, so we only have one view controller. So that's what I did so far. You didn't miss out on anything too much. Trust me, save you all the hassle. So what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is I'm going to teach you how to save and load data, because the apps we made so far, they're kind of just you know you can't really save any data. I didn't teach you any of that. So pretty much every time you open your app, it's pretty much the same as you looked at your app for the first time you download it. So if you want to have any high scores, or if you want to have any just settings that you wanted to save, it would be impossible until now. Dun dun dun. So let's go ahead and learn how to do that. What we're going to be creating is just a really simple text field on the screen, and you're going to type something into it, and then when you close your app, it's going to save it, and then you can go to the internet, go check your mail, and then when you come back, it's going to be right there waiting for you. Bam, saving data, awesome. So what we need on screen is a UI text field. I'm going to try to put text view in there, I saw you. And we'll go ahead and name it field 1, because we have to name it a number, of course, because it's our only field. Alright, so this is going to represent a text field on the screen. That's all we're going to have. It's going to be really dumb looking. So ns string, wow, messed that up already, son of a, getting mad already. Ns, really? Ns string. This might take a while. Calm down. Stay with me. Alright, and go ahead and name this path of file. And what this method is going to do is it's going to return to you the path, or in other words the file that we want to save to, and you'll understand later. But anyways, now that we have the file we want to save to, what we want to do is make the method to save it. And we want to save, I mean, you can put a button to when you click it you save, but we want to use the application will terminate. And this is a built-in method that gets called automatically when the application will close. And so whenever they close or quit the application, we want to save the data automatically. So it takes void as parameter. Actually, I just have it copied right over here. And if you're saying, Bucky, you can't do that, that's cheating. Well, actually, it's if you go hold and control, let me see, click control or option is, and click, or just do this, it's easier. Right click it and press find text in documentation. Here's my rule: any text that I can find in the documentation, I can go ahead and copy from somewhere else. So yeah, it's not cheating, so leave me alone, you trolls. Alright, so now let's go ahead and build this. Need an overview one last time? Alright, I'll give it to you. This is going to be a text field on the screen. This is going to be a method to retrieve the path of the file that we're going to save to. And this is the method that's actually going to do the saving. Whenever our program is about to shut down, we want to save all the data and, that's all we want to do actually. So now that we have this built, we can go ahead and in our nib. And by the way, check this out. I downloaded the new iPhone SDK 4 or whatever, and this library, I don't like it. I like the other style view. This one is like one big scroll bar. I like it with all little icons. So if anyone knows how to get the icons back, I know it'll take me 5 seconds to look up, but I'm too lazy. If anyone knows how to get those icons back, let me know. Alright, so here's what we got so far. A view on the screen looks pretty cool. What we want to add to it is, if I can find it with this dumb view, let me scroll down, a text field. Bam, got you. So just go ahead and add the text field right there, and then go ahead in your files owner, control and drag, and I must not have saved this. Oh, I know what I did. Well, this is quite embarrassing. Synthesize. Oh, wait a minute. Getting ahead of myself. At property, non-atomic. Maybe I shouldn't have that last beer. Retain and IB outlet, and then just go ahead and copy this. And now what that does is create an outlet for you on the screen. So now we can go ahead and build this slam pig right here. Build it, save it, shave it. I'm just kidding. There is no saying that goes like that at all. So don't try it. So now if you go ahead and control drag, go ahead and select field 1, and now this text field represents field 1 in our code. So file, save, interface, quit interface. Wow, we were speeding through this. So now we can go ahead and, let me do this before I forget. Copy that. Alright, under implementation, go ahead and synthesize field 1. And now go ahead and copy these methods, and we can go ahead and implement them. Copy. Paste that shiz right there. And go ahead and path the file, add body to that. And I actually add all my bodies first. Let the bodies hit the flow. Alright, path the file. And you know what? I decided just now, whim of the moment. I'm actually going to do all this in the next tutorial, and it might even run over to a third tutorial. I don't know, but I'm probably going to go funnel some beers. And yeah, you study, try to understand what went on so far, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Oh, I know what you can do. Check out my app. Plug. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.